I'm going to show you how you can get free gifts on Temu without inviting friends. Now, when you go to the Temu app, sometimes you might get this prompt where you can obtain a free gift completely free with no inviting of friends or anything the sorts. If you tap on spin like this, you can see it'll redirect you onto a new site here. You can see this is what it will look like. You'll see all of these things that are free, but unfortunately you have missed it. But don't worry, you got a revive card, things like that, and you have one more chance to get a free gift. Now you can see it's all free, 100% off, and all you have to do is to spin this wheel here. Now let's just wait for this to actually spin. But you can see if I tap on stop here, you can see this is what it will look like. And we luckily got the 100% off, so we get a free gift. Again, you don't need to invite friends for any of these. You just have to log into Temu, and now you'll get all of these free gifts. Now you can see I can get 3 free, and you can see just what it will look like. I just have to play a little card game here, and I just have to tap on that, and you can see I get 3 free items that are all 100% off, completely free. Now I get to pick and choose what kind of item I want to get free from Temu here. Now let's just wait for this to load. Now just using just what it will look like. Now we can get things for free. For example, I get an iPad 11 Pro for free. I can get this watch for free. I can get a simulator dollar bill for free. I can get all the chargers for free. I can get another Xiaomi pad for free. If I want the Xiaomi pad, I just have to tap on claim like this. And once I claim, you can see it will see like this. And then good taste, completely free. It will be put. And then I can only pick another 3 gifts. And then after that, that's it. You can continue with this. And then you can get the free gifts on Temu, all completely without confiding any friends or things of the sort.